It was locked. That was what was all the aggro about a minute ago when I couldn't get it to record. It was in the locked position. Okay, all right, so let me take the jack out. You got a little tension on there?
Hold on.
Okay, yeah, let's not do anything too rash.
No, it's here.
Oh, this plate here?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, all right, so you got tension. We're almost on there.
Yeah, I know. I just... Right.
Now we can get that out. Oh, it broke some more.
Yeah. And the other one.
Oh, yeah, that's really fucked it up.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so that one, a bit more interesting. All right, so, okay, watch yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get all the wood out of the way for the wheels. Okay, so you got, what do you got? How much tension do you think you got on there? A lot? Okay, all right, hold on. Let me lift it up a little bit.
No, it's lifting up on the back.
Yeah, okay, now you go ahead again.
I can't...
Go ahead. Now you're on the jack, so go ahead and see if it'll pull against the jack in the boat.
Look.
You want to
lift it into the bottom edge.
Okay, so we want to take this down.
Yeah.
Lift the back of the boat a little bit.
Yeah.
All right.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. How about you?
Yeah, it's off the ground.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay.
We need something for leverage here. Now, hold on. Let me just make a little... I just got to get this one board out over here. Boy, that thing shot down there, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, what we're going to do is get that other board out on the other side.
Well, why don't you just use the other thing to lift on the back?
Yeah, well, I will. Let me get that jacket. The jacket's in the way. Yeah, that was almost an accident.
Yeah. That would have been good on the video.
It happened fast, too.
It was on the video.
It is on the video, yeah. Health and safety, don't do this. Look where the thing is. Did it shoot up?
Yeah, only that much. There's always.
Oh, it could have whacked you in the fucking face or something.
Not on video.
You would have been on the video, but you could we'd have heard you moaning. Okay, now. Tighten it up and then going up. Okay. You got tension?
Yep.
Here we go. Okay, hold on. We hitting something.
Hey, just come here a second.
Yeah.
It needs that roller.
We want to be on that roller.
Yeah, we're on the side.
Oh, we're stuck on it now. We got to let the tension off. It's stopping us from loading. That's all right, though. That's where we. I saw something stop us. Just dead close. Yeah, cut it. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna put some wood here to keep the trailer from going down any lower. Smashing that rest of that shit out. You got a knife? Yes. Here's something here, maybe. Here's some pliers.
Yeah, I've got the...
Oh, you got something? Oh, here's a sharp knife.
Look at these bolts popping.
On the trailer?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, the whole thing is not complete. We need to tighten every nut and bolt, or somebody does.
Yeah.
And then definitely high on the list is a bolt for that winch. The one that we replaced.
Yeah.
That's a shit bolt. That'll fuck you up if you're not careful. So you can expect that. You can expect that to break.
Right. So what we need to do?
Oh.
That's me doing that.
Hold on. Let me. You want to tweak it up a little bit so that that's on. Hold on.
Yeah. But it's not coming off.
Okay. All right. So that's. You gotta keep pushing over. That one there. Yeah. Yeah. I see what you're saying. Yeah. We're off to the side, aren't we? Okay. A little bit of tension. See what happens. There you go. You're center now.
Not for this one.
Yeah, but you can only do one. You're not going to center that one. Just go ahead. Okay, hold on. We've got logs and shit in the way, and it's actually sliding on the wheels on the jack.
Yeah.
So let me just see. This big board's in the way here. Oh, you know what we might do? We might come over here and push this side up.
Yeah. Oh, let's just. It's going in there.
Okay, don't drag it though. Don't force it because we got stuff stopped in the way. Hold on. Let's just get it level. Okay, now, wait a minute. Got chains and shit in the way over here. Anchor's away, my friend. Now let me, which way do you want it to go? Any way in particular?
What do you mean?
I can move the back end. I can lift it and push it one way or the other if we wanted to.
Good.
We're okay?
Yes, we're okay.
All right, here, I'm going to give it a little bit of play. All right, so we're clear back here.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, see what you got. Now, what? Yeah, go ahead. I don't want to destroy that thing there. Go ahead.
Hold on.
Don't get your fingers in the wrong place. Under pressure.
That's it.
You need your fingers, Chef.
Yeah. No, this is
Just
not.
don't overdo it. Yeah, wait a minute. Don't. Just wait. Take the powder for a second. That's not coming off or anything, is it?
No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's not.
I do.
Yeah. Then you just. What's going on then?
It's coming off.
Yeah. Okay, are we straight?
Yeah.
We're coming off on the back, so we want to. Let me. You know what I mean? Let's see what we got back here. Okay, yeah, we're okay. As long as if we can just keep it.
Oh, it's coming off on the back.
Yeah, coming off on the back a little bit. Let's. Pull it a little bit, if you can get it a little bit. Okay, all right. So now, the trailer actually, there isn't much weight on the trailer. You can actually just jiggle the trailer, push up on it up at your end, and then slide it to me that way a little bit. You know what I mean? Okay, now see if you can come over. Keep going way over. Okay, that's good. Good. Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah, that try it now, because it's tends to go on crooked anyway, doesn't it? Okay, now you want to be ready for that thing to pop down, the trailer to come down.
Yeah.
Now what you could do, you could lower that wheel so that it's a controlled fall rather than a big slam down. Yeah, that's good. They said only go that far. Does that go down or is that just the wheel? That's good. Go ahead, pull on this one. Just don't get hurt. Yeah, this thing is, we'll just get it on there and then it'll have to be fixed. Alright, you know what? Oh, what I'm seeing now, these want to be back down there, but as far down as we can. Another way we'll get